After registration on the SelfCAD website, go to the tab Launch Editor to begin modeling. All the projects will be showing up here. Press the button Create New Project. Workspace settings are being opened. Name the file. Setting up a workspace. Set up its size and the size of the workspace segment. Press the button Create to apply the settings, and the new document will be created. To apply default settings, press Use Defaults. Cancel to cancel the action of the window and to go back. Press Create. Workspace is marked as a segmented mesh in a window of a projection. For its additional settings, go to the tab Settings and open the panel Workspace. In the Settings panel Workspace, you can change workspace settings by increasing or decreasing its sizes. And increasing or decreasing the segmented mesh of the workspace. To apply default settings, press Restore Defaults. To confirm the action, press on the pictogram OK, or press Cancel to cancel and go to the menu.